5 steps to achieve financial freedom. Imagine waking up every day knowing that your money works for you, not the other way around. What would it feel like to have the freedom to choose how you spend your time, your energy, and your life? What if I told you that this freedom is not as distant as you think? But here's the truth: most people are stuck in the grind. They spend their entire lives working for a paycheck, never truly achieving the financial freedom they dream of. But what if you could break free from that cycle? What if there's a way out, and it's simpler than you think? Stick around, because in this video, we're diving into 5 actionable steps to help you achieve true financial freedom. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Your future self will thank you. Step 1. Master your mindset. The journey to financial freedom doesn't start with numbers. It starts in your mind. If you believe you'll never achieve financial success, guess what? You're already limiting yourself. The harsh reality is that the way you think about money will directly influence your financial outcomes. You see, most people are trapped in a mindset of scarcity. They think they don't have enough time, enough money, enough opportunities. But what if I told you that the abundance you're looking for begins with a change in mindset? Fear of failure and fear of loss are real, but they don't have to control you. The most successful people didn't get there by avoiding fear. They learned to use it. They transformed their thoughts, and you can do the same. Shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Start by recognizing that money is a tool, and with the right mindset, you can use it to create the life you desire. So ask yourself, what's the biggest thing holding me back from achieving financial freedom? Is it fear, doubt, lack of confidence? Take a moment to reflect. This step could be the game changer you need. Now, let's say you've got your mindset right, but what's the next step to actually start building that wealth? Hold on tight. This one's going to shake things up a bit. Step 2, create a detailed financial plan. You know what they say, a goal without a plan is just a wish. And trust me, wishing isn't going to get you to financial freedom. Here's where most people drop the ball. They don't have a clear financial plan. They dream big, but don't put the effort into breaking that dream into actionable steps. If you're serious about living a wealthy lifestyle, you need to sit down and create a roadmap. This means setting clear, measurable financial goals. For example, if you want to save $10,000 in the next year, how will you break that down monthly? Do you need to cut expenses, increase your income, or both? It's easy to get overwhelmed by all the details. But here's a pattern interrupt. Don't get lost in the small stuff. Focus on the big picture and make your plan specific, realistic, and flexible. You can always adjust your goals along the way, but the key is to start with a solid foundation. Feeling overwhelmed yet? Don't worry, this next step is going to give you the confidence to keep going. Once you've got your mindset and plan in place, it's time for something that will truly change the way you think about money. And it's a step most people skip. You're about to learn a game-changing secret. Step 3, automate your savings and investments. Now that you have a clear financial plan, it's time to set it and forget it. Here's the truth. The most successful people don't manage their money manually, they automate it. We all know that saving and investing are important, but let's face it, life happens. Bills pile up, emergencies arise, and before you know it, that extra $100 you wanted to invest is now spent on a new phone. So, what's the solution? Automate, set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings or investment account. This removes the temptation to spend and ensures you're consistently growing your wealth. It's simple, efficient, and it works. Are you ready for the part that most people are terrified of? The one step that separates the wealthy from the average? Keep watching. You've got the automated systems in place. But now comes the next step that could make or break your financial freedom journey. Step 4, leverage your assets. Most people work for money, but the wealthy make money work for them. What does that mean? It means using what you already have to generate more income. If you have a house, can you rent out a room? If you have skills, can you turn them into a side hustle? Or maybe you've got some savings that could be invested in stocks, real estate, or even a small business. The key here is leverage, using your current assets to create more wealth. I know this might sound a little intimidating, especially if you're new to investing. But guess what? You don't have to take big risks to leverage your assets. Start small, learn the ropes, And over time, you'll see that leveraging assets is one of the fastest paths to financial freedom. And now, for the final step, the one that's going to push you across the finish line and keep you motivated throughout your journey. Step 5. Take consistent action. You've got the plan, the mindset, the savings, the investments, and the leverage. Now it's time to keep moving forward. The key here is consistency. In the end, financial freedom isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. And the truth is, you can't get there by being complacent. You have to take action every single day. But here's the catch. This last step is where most people fail. They get lazy, complacent, or distracted by the next shiny thing. But the people who make it, they stay consistent, even when things get tough. Now, you've learned the 5 steps to achieve financial freedom. The question is, are you ready to take action? If you're ready to take your financial freedom to the next level, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment with your next financial goal, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this. You've got the power to change your life, but it all starts with the first step. Let's go.